Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to get glowing text in CapCut. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your device. Click on the plus button to create a new project. We need a black background for this. You can download a black video or you can record it with your phone camera. Now select the black video. When you import the black video, simply click on the text tool right here and add text. Write anything that you want. I'm simply going to write hello. Then select the font of your text, the color style, and the rest. I'm going to add this font and this color. When you do this, click here to export the video to your photo gallery. When the video saves to your gallery, click here to go back. Then you want to click on this plus button right here. This will open your photo gallery, so select the video with the text that you had just exported. Now select this text layer and drag it over your first video and delete the rest on the right side of the timeline. Select your text layer, then click on the Style button right here. Choose a white color for our text. Then click on Animation, then Loop, and find the random flash animation, so select it. Now go back and we need to add a video effect to our video in order to make it glow. Select the effects, then video effects. Find effect that's called Angel and select it. You can click on the Adjust and select the intensity, or how much you want this to glow. Drag the effect over the whole video, and we have to add one more effect. So this time, select the camera shake effect and adjust the speed of the effect to 10. And drag that over the video also, and if you are happy with the edits, you can simply export this to your photo gallery. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.